Now let's talk about the multi-position valve. There are 6 positions on the MultiValve or multi-position valve. This column tells us the position I need to have depending on the action I'm going to perform. If I'm going to filter, wash, or sweep the pool, the filtration position is the most common. So this is the filtration position. We go here, select filtration, and everything will be filtering. We vacuum the water and return to the pool. When I'm going to backwash the filter, I'll set the valve to backwash, and in this case, the action will be backwashing. We'll position the valves as shown in this diagram and then backwash the filter. The intention is to backwash the filter. If I'm going to backwash the filter, I'll set the MultiValve to backwash mode. We'll always operate the MultiValve with the pump off. So now I turn the switch to manual and the pump will turn on. If it's a variable speed pump, as it is in this case, it will take a few seconds to start. The pump starts, we're drawing water from the pool, and as you can see, we're now cleaning the filter. This is where the dirty water goes, and this indicator shows when the filter will be clean. In this case, we have a transparent cover, but we always look at the indicator. In the wash position, we're washing the filter. After the wash cycle, there's always a rinse cycle, so with the pump off, we switch to the rinse position and now we turn it on manually. The rinsing cycle only takes a few seconds. You just have to count to 3. So we'll wait for the pump to start, count to 3, and let it rinse the pipes so it doesn't send dirty water into the pool. It's rinsing now. 1, 2, 3, and then we'll stop. And finally, we'll return to the filtration phase. We would leave the MultiValve in filtration mode, and now, with the keys placed according to the diagram, we will leave it in automatic mode so that, according to the programming, the pump and filtration will work at the corresponding times.